Welcome back to me spending my one day off of work sitting a GCSE biology paper. So I'm continuing the series of sitting my A-levels as GCSEs when I should actually be sitting the A-level exams, but I can't because whole pandemic situation. Although I may be sitting them in August depending on like because they're using the predicted grade, so if I don't get my predicted grade then I may choose to resit, I may not, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. So I've done the psychology and the chemistry one, and now I'm doing the biology one. I've done paper one for all of them, and I'm going to be doing paper one for the biology. I'm not sure if I'm going to go on to and do like each paper of the GCSE papers, so I think there's 3 for the biology and the chemistry and 2 for the psychology. I can't quite remember, I'll double check. You can, a bit of a poof curl there, so you can join me whilst I'm filling out all the 100 marks worth of questions, and then I'll mark it and see what I would have got without any revision. I have sort of been doing a bit of biology, not that much. I've just been doing the online university stuff, so like a bit about the like biology, but not like proper into it. So if I don't really sort of do well on this paper, then it's slightly worrying considering I'm going on to do a biomedical degree, but anyway, we'll see how it goes. So I have a pen, well that's a pencil, that's a pen, my ruler and my trusty scientific calculator. And then again, I'm still poor, so I've not actually printed off the exam paper, I've just doing it on a piece of paper. Let's get started. like the monoclonal antibodies one. I couldn't really remember all the details that they wanted at GCSE level for that. There was also all of question 6 was apparently removed from the paper. But I think I understood what it was saying, that the mean score of the entire question was 8. So I've just put that down and I'll add that into my marking. But I'm going to mark the questions now, see how it goes. Poofed her. My sister cut it the other day, so it's a bit everywhere. I can't wait till her dress is open again. So yeah, I'll mark it and I'll get back to you. So I met it all. I got 70 marks, which is okay, I think. On the grade boundaries for like the overall of both the papers, you needed 69 to get a 5, which is like a CB sort of thing. So I think I did okay. Again, there was that question 6, which I don't know what I would have actually scored on it, but I think they might have just done the average for everyone else. There was... where did I lose marks? Like on the longer questions, there was question 2.7 and question 7.2. They were like long, like 6-marker questions. So I just gave myself... I put up quite a lot of detail in, and I think I would have got like 4 marks on it, but I just gave myself 5 marks because I wasn't 100% sure what I'd get. There are a few ones where I just sort of missed the monoclonal antibodies. I didn't put about hybridoma, but we don't do about that at A level, and I completely forgot about it. There was a stupid one where it was on about diffusion of calcium ions from a low to high concentration, so it was active transport, and I put all that down, but then I didn't put that it needed energy. So I lost a mark there. There was one about why you'd need a pacemaker. I put bradycardia down, but I don't know whether I'd get the mark for that, so I just didn't give myself the mark. I'm quite happy with the, there was a question about yellowing of leaves because of not getting enough magnesium and then stunted growth. I think I put everything down for about that, but we don't actually do about like specific ions at GCSE, but I got 4 marks on that because I put there's fewer chlorophyll, so there's less like energy can be absorbed, but I did put for photosynthesis instead of, so there's a lower rate of photosynthesis, so I dropped a mark there. So fewer glucose, so less ATP available to make biological molecules required for growth. I didn't put about a partially permeable membrane for osmosis, so I lost a mark there. So again, it was just sort of like little bits that I missed off. The first question it was about the first question was about what was it worded? Why bacteria causes vomiting and diarrhea in when you've got salmonella, and I put secretions of the infecting bacteria which must be removed, whereas it was secretions of toxins or poison. So I didn't get a mark for that one, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, I passed it off just one paper without any revision, so I think that was okay. I'm not sure whether I'm going to do a paper 2 for all the questions, because for all the subjects, not questions, although but if you do want me to do it, then just let me know and I'll do them, because I don't have anything better to do other than Animal Crossing and work, to be honest. So I'll see you again.